Please subscribe Matthew Music. Please subscribe Matthew Music. Please subscribe Matthew Music.
Hello friends, in this video let's learn how to place cameras, ceiling lights. Go to floor plans, ground floor, main menu, view, 3D views, camera. Click 2 points to place camera. First point camera location, second point direction of the view. In view control bar, visual style, choose realistic. Select the rectangle portion, using grip, adjust the view. This is a front view of the building. Seems the view is not straight. In the properties, change eye elevation, target elevation values. If eye elevation, target elevation values are the same, camera looks straight. Different, camera looks in some angle. In project browser, 3D views, 3D view 1, right click, rename. Front view. OK. Go to floor plans, ground floor, select the camera, click 2 points to place. So right now we are seeing hall. Change visual style, using grip, adjust the view. In the properties, change eye elevation, target elevation values. Eye elevation means camera is at what height from ground level. Target elevation means from ground level to what height we are seeing. If eye elevation and target elevation are same, then camera looks straight. Let's place cameras in all rooms and adjust the view, change visual style, change eye elevation, target elevation values in the properties, and in the project browser change the name. Hall is over, bedroom is over. Let's place one more camera in kitchen. Adjust the view using grips. We'll change the visual style to realistic. The properties, change eye elevation, target elevation. If eye elevation is less, target elevation is more, then more ceiling view is visible. If eye elevation and target elevation is less, equal, then we can see straight view. So this is the southeast isometric view of the building. We are seeing the veranda portion. So let's name the view as veranda. Right click, rename veranda. Let's place camera. Go to ceiling plans, ground floor, architecture, select ceiling command. In the properties, 3-4 varieties of ceilings are there. Choose one of them. 600 by 1200. Let's choose 600 by 1200. In the ribbon bar, 2 options, automatic or sketching. Using automatic, just go on clicking in the rooms, ceiling is spaced. So in the hall we have placed a rectangular grid. Under the rooms, square grid. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. So in veranda area we want ceiling. Using automatic we cannot place, because only 2 sides walls is there. So that time use sketch ceiling. Draw the rectangle shape. Finish. Now ceiling is drawn in veranda. See the 3D view. In veranda 2 sides open is there. That's why we can find some gap between. We can see some gap between ceiling to floor level. To close that gap, we have to draw wall. To draw wall, go to the ceiling plans, ground floor, architecture wall. In the property, choose small thickness wall 79 mm, and in the property set base constraint, top constraint, base offset. Base constraint ground floor, top constraint first floor. Base offset according to the ceiling offset from the ground floor level. And do all settings in the option bar and just draw the wall. Let's see 3D view. See, ceiling to floor level gap is closed. This is the hall view. We are seeing the camera view. To select the ceiling, we cannot, if you click in center of the ceiling, we cannot select. To select the ceiling, click edge of the ceiling. Now we can see some gap between ceiling to floor. That gap is 0.4 because when we select ceiling, in the properties we can see height offset 2.6, means from ground floor to ceiling height is 2.6. Floor to floor height is 3 meters. 3 minus 2.6 is 0.4 gap from ceiling to the next floor level. We can change the height of the ceiling in the properties by changing height offset. Okay, let's go to floor plans ground floor. No, go to ceiling plans ground floor. Let's place ceiling in the bedroom and select the ceiling command. This time let's add some new material. Select gypsum metal stud, edit type, duplicate, change the name according to which material we are using in the ceiling. I'm giving birchwood. Go to edit, replace gypsum with the birchwood. Search the required material. Okay, and just click in the room. Ceiling is placed. Ceiling is placed, but the pad we are not seeing any of the pattern because the birchwood don't have pattern default. We should choose the surface pattern. To select the ceiling, move cursor to the wall edge, hit tab number of times, select the ceiling, and in the properties where we choose the material, there we have we should also choose surface pattern. Choose one of the pattern, then we see in the plan view. Okay, let's see the camera view. This is the camera of the bedroom and we can see that material birchwood. Okay, let's go to ceiling plans ground floor. This time let's cut that ceiling. To cut the ceiling, select the ceiling first and go to edit boundary. Draw one circle inside ceiling. Click finish button. Then ceiling is cut in circular shape. See the camera view. Yeah. At that cut portion, let's draw one more ceiling. At that cut portion, let's draw ceiling with other material. Let's go to edit tab, duplicate, change the name. This time let's add tech wood. Go to edit, replace birchwood with tech wood. Search your required material over there. If you don't find, sometimes you don't find, based on the one button hide or show library, you have to click that button if some material is not visible. Okay, choose. Also choose the surface pattern. Don't forget to choose surface pattern. Okay. Then you cannot use automatic ceiling at the cut portion. Using sketch ceiling, you have to draw circle. Choose the circle tool. Though you choose circle tool, we cannot locate the center point. Move cursor to the edge of the circle. Press SC, means snap to the center. Then you locate draw finish button. See the camera view. Yes. So like this, we have to place ceiling, cut ceiling, automatic ceiling, sketch ceiling. Let's place lights in the camera. Let's place lights in the ceiling. Ceiling plans ground floor. Go to the component, lighting folder, internal, and to using control load your required lights. Wall lights, floor lights, ceiling lights. Choose the required models and load. All that lights will be loaded into properties. From the properties list, now you choose the light which fits in the ceiling. So I have chosen troffer light parabolic rectangle that would exactly fit in the rectangular grid ceiling. But we have to rotate the ceiling to exactly fit into that grid. Using rotate command, rotate this light. Using move command, move the light into that grid. Use the copy command, copy the lights into each grids. Okay, so In the veranda area we are having square grids. So in the properties choose parabolic square, draw for light parabolic square light, and just click in the ceiling. So that light is a parabolic rectangle. Okay, once again let's repeat the command. Choose in the properties, choose parabolic square, draw for light parabolic square, just click in the ceiling, placed. But sometimes we have to use move command, align command to exactly fit into the grid, and use copy command to make copies. Done. Let's place lights in bedroom also. Let's choose the light model, pendant light. Just click in ceiling, lights are placed, and see the camera view. Oh, lights came down. So select the light, go to edit type and change draw from ceiling value. 0.6 is there, change it to 0.1, 0.2. Done. Ceiling lights topic is over.